Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we're going to talk about what can we expect next to happen for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So as of right now, let me show you guys what happened until now. We've been trading in this upwards, in this ascending channel or wedge, and this is usually a bearish chart pattern, and this pattern is more likely to break to the downside. Okay, if you want to trade, guys, with the links in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses, and you will also find trading tutorials there that I've made for you. So let me show you guys. So we broke down, and the technical target of this chart pattern would be around here. That means 20,800, but we went even lower, guys. Okay, and on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see here the EMA ribbons flipped actually bearish at around 23,900, and we touched them once, the lowest here, but we are still, of course, in a downtrend, guys. Let me show you what we can expect, or how could we trade now. Let me show you. As you can see here on the hourly time frame, we went up to touch the ribbons, even went above them slightly, and as you can see here, we have a lot of support. We have support at the $90,800 dollar price level. Then we have some support here, 19.3, 18.8. These are the levels to watch right now. And we could also, because $20,000 is a big support, and also psychological price level, we could form potentially a bullish reversal pattern. For example, let's say like a descending channel, but we have to wait because it's not formed yet. But it could look somehow like this, that we trade around this area, and a descending channel is more likely to break to the upside. Okay, so as of right now, let's watch this chart pattern, and once we have a breakout above, out of this channel, we should get maybe another touch point. We could go even low till 90.3, and then we could make a long position once we break out of this. But if you're really, it's not a chart pattern yet, but 20k level is a strong support. You could also entertain the idea and make a low leveraged long position, so in case that we go down a little bit lower, you don't get liquidated or stopped out. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin right now. Let me show you Ethereum. It's actually similar. As you can see, the EMA ribbons, we went above them. You can see $1,480 price level. We touched it, and the next support down here is at 1,361. Okay, same situation actually as for Bitcoin. We could form a bullish reversal pattern like this descending channel here, guys, and it could look somehow like this. Well, actually for Ethereum it would be more like a wedge, like a descending broadening wedge, which would also be more likely to break up to the upside, to break out to the upside, and this could also be the opportunity to enter a long trade. As you can see here, this support at 1,360 about this range, and then at 1,240 there's the next support. To flip bullish, these EMA ribbons would have to flip bullish. Okay, this means we should go above them, and then they can switch. As of right now, we are watching the chart patterns. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.